Hello some people, in this video I will explain it how you can solve the problem of login in Wildlift. I have a 100% solution and I will show you live proof in end, so please watch till end. So let's begin. Now firstly connect with any VPN network to any country. I am just simply selecting VPN to Philippines. You can select any country. Now I'm logging in Wildlift. Make sure that login with the Google. It's 100% work with Google. So please will be login to Google. Now second option is go to Play Store and update or install the application, reinstall the Wildlift. Please update if you do not have update. It's the second option. Third option is please install the game and restart your device. If you like my content then please click like, subscribe and bell icon, and please comment your feedback in comment section. Thank you for watching.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanity.